What up everyone? Welcome to my first ever tutorial video. Since a lot of you guys asked me on my Kimi No Na Wa video on how I do stuff and all, I gave in. Actually, I'm very conscious about my voice. That's why I don't do any tutorial videos. Till now. So please bear with me. Today, I'm going to show you how I isolated or cut out the cashew tree from the sky. So without any further ado, let's start! This specific clip actually came from the Kimi No Na Wa piece that I made. Yeah, I know. I'm lazy that way. And disclaimer, this is the process that I did. It is not the only and ideal way to do this. And probably I don't even know what I'm talking about. And believe me, there's a lot of similar and better tutorials out here on YouTube. But then again, you asked me. So here. First, I loaded the image file and remove all the visible electric wires from the sky so that it is much easier to isolate the color of the sky later. And also, I only have like 4 gigabytes of RAM at the time. That's why it's lagging. Sorry. You know what? Let's speed things up. There you go. Next, select the channels tab. Oh, but before that, be sure that your image file layer is the only one visible, because otherwise, the color of the other layers will be included when you copy a new layer on the Channels tab. Then select the blue layer and make sure the other layers are not visible. Then drag it to the Create New Channel button. Next, click Ctrl L for levels and drag the black input level to the right until the tree is completely black. Then, drag the white input level to the left until the sky is completely white. Then click OK. Next, hit the Control button and click on the adjusted layer to make a selection. Then click the RGB layer and go back to the Layers tab and click the Add Layer Mask button below. Next, hit the Ctrl I command to invert the layer mask. And Jaran, you have a quote-unquote perfectly cut out tree. Doing some adjustments here and there, matching the quality and the light of the tree to the new background, and you're done. I hope you guys like it, and let me know what you think. Do you guys want me to make another or stop altogether? Thank you for watching, and keep creating. Next, click the Ctrl L. Kabulol.